Hi everyone, my name is Deepa. I'm a dietitian practicing nutrition focused lifestyle medicine. And if you are a healthcare provider who treat GLP-1 patients or patients with diabetes, hypertension, cholesterol, obesity, weight loss management, chronic kidney disease, and or bariatric surgery patients, then you must take a look at the food prescription functionality in the core platform. So the way this works is you click on food prescription and you can select the plan that you want to create. In this case, for example, GLP support, you can choose the calories, the micronutrients, and our AI agents will help you add the calories and adjust the nutrient levels accordingly. Okay, and once this is created, you can just send it to your patients and they will get the food prescription in their portal. We have another great functionality, which is recipe creation. Now here you can assign your patients a recipe which is from your database, or you can search from our enterprise version database, which has 100 plus recipes which are from different ethnicities. Or the cool thing is you can build your own. So you can choose the ethnic background of the patient and the ingredients that you want to add. Select any other criteria you may have and just click on the generate, and it will allow you to tweak the recipe even more. And once you submit it, you will see how quickly it creates a recipe with the grocery list and other meal prep ideas. So here you have it, spicy black bean tacos with roasted sweet potatoes and kale. And it even gave you the leftover option. So this is where you see all the ingredients. These are the cooking directions. These are the instructions for meal prepping. And this is the grocery list. And it also gives you the alternate ingredients. It focuses on cooking techniques and gives you an option to change the title and save the recipe in your database. So this is how quickly you can create a recipe. So this is where you can see that our AI driven recipe builder fits into the food prescription functionality, and they both can be deployed to the patients for the most optimal clinical outcomes.